So friend, this is my online touch blue sky channel. In this my video, I am continuing network topic. So before I start, I'm showing you something very important for messages for you. First, you want to start a network systems network course. So you want to first into the computer hardware. I'm already created playlist, operating system information, and created already playlist basic knowledge software related playlist. Okay, so visit playlist and understand about other information. So what is the network? I'm already created and understand about network definition, and I already created was previous video history of network and the computer system network. Okay, and why very important for the network connection. What is the network diagram? How many type of connected devices in computer? So watch this video and understand about network diagram. And after so and start this network topology. What is a topology and how many type of topology? So point to point topology I'm already created. What is a point to point topology and how this using? Next is advantage and disadvantage point to point topology. Point to multi point topology, how this multi point topology working? Yeah, okay. And next time I'm already created a video in a playlist of bus topology related. So this is a bus topology and bus topology related information related of advantage and disadvantage of bus topology network and system. Fourth is a ring topology. What is a ring topology and how is a ring topology work and using. Fifth is a mesh topology. How this mesh topology work and the system work. And sixth, my last previous video I'm already created. What this video very important for you. Star topology. What is a star topology? How this created animation and how this electrical design. Okay. So LAN WAN and LAN PAN and WAN design model system. Three type of created new network system network type: LAN network, local area network, personal area network, and wild area network system. Okay. So today I'm showing you what is the advantage of star topology. Okay. So star topology advantage of different type of available in star technology, star network. Okay. And a new generation type of is very star topology network through very easily to connect and sending and receiving data and very using system. So old generation time using a hub system and after changing centralized device and creating new devices switch system. Okay, so what is a switch and what is a hub different? So I will discuss in some video network devices, but understand only centralized device is one type of created a star topology, and centralized device is a many important devices because all of each other component connect by centralized device through and sending and receiving data first main centralized devices. Okay, so important is what is a star topology. Star topology is created by Cisco company and invention three type of system. First hub system, first bridge system, second repeater and hub, repeater and bridge through create new third type of devices. It's called name hub, and hub not more powerful sending receiving and securing data. So fourth device created switch system, Cisco company. So this is a one type of what is the advantage of star topology and understand about these information. So let's start this video. So friend, before start my video, I'm give one type of message for you. So how you visit my channel? So why this type online interest discussion and click on search, and you can see this type my logo. Click on so and this is you can visit my this channel. Okay, everything you want the information related, computer related, advanced computer hardware, network, software, everything playlist I am already created. So click on playlist and you can see you want any computer hardware related information, computer network courses related information. So click on and visit my playlist, and I'm continuously one by one, time to time I'm update my new video and upload video. So you can very good knowledge for increase your knowledge, and very important for information for you are computer beginner. So you can select control panel options, and other Microsoft already uncreated videos. You can see this is the control panel, everything information give in my video. You can see this is a very important for you. Windows operation 7, 8, 9, Windows 10.
So friends, this
Every
is a
your operating system you can control using. This is a very important setting. So operating system related information I'm already created in this my video. So you can see this is a very important for you, and you visit my other playlist. You can see Windows 7 basic related. What is a Windows 7? What is a Windows 7 inside the settings and information related I'm already created. What is a 64-bit? What is a 32-bit? So I'm already created everything. So click on subscribe button, click on bell icon, because every time I'm
this is my online
upload new videos, so first notify and first notification message in your mobile computer. So click on subscribe, click on like button, and visit other my playlist. So thank you. So first advantage is if one node or its connection breaks, okay, it does not affect the other computer, not their connection. This is one of a best advantage of star topology related advantage. Suppose these computers maybe sometime hardware problem in shutdown, so not affect other component, not other network shutdown. You can easily disconnect this network cable, and automatically this component not affect, because satellite device is very important devices. Okay, these all of network joint and connection and transferring data on the centralized device, because this is star network through created method through disconnected computer. Okay, so you can see printer, router, laptop, desktop. Okay, so this is a two computer continuously other computer connection and other file sending and receiving through this. You can see here this is a one type of centralized device, but these computers shut down and not perfectly work, so you can disconnect, and you can repair, and again you connect. So automatically you'll find out first IP address and synchronizing, and after connect completely. Okay, so not affect other computer, not need for shut down all of network. Okay, only disconnect this the cable through, and easily to you can connection and connect to your network. Okay, so this is a very advantage first of this easily to use and very useful open network. Other company through, you can see this is a one type of devices, 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 device connected to only one centralized devices. So suppose these laptop not perfectly work and not sending receiving file, and sometime you can see reboot again to again, so means operating system corrupt. So not affect other computer, not need other network work shutdown. Okay, continuously work in sending and receiving data file communication completely. Okay, so you can disconnect cable, wire or wireless through. Okay, and again you can repair your laptop, or either you can replace your laptop and connect this network. So automatically you can connect these IP address through. You can see again to uh, start your network connection. Okay, so this is the one type of advantage of your computer and centralized device through. Okay, second is device can be added and or removed without disturbing the network. This point I'm already told you. So maybe you want to add a 5 and 6 computer. Okay, so connect these one cable, and you can connect again without switch off, without the network other shutdown computer. So you can add and other type of a network system communication, one type of easily to sending and receiving data, not need for disturbing other network. Okay, just like I'm give example, you want to remove a printer, if you want to add new printer, disconnect and connect your new printer. So not need for sending, not need for or shutdown. Directly you can connect and again automatically start your IP address through your network communication. Okay, so this is a one type of a system. Okay, so this is a very advantage. Okay, so you can see, just I'm giving example, one type of device, one device, two device, three. These are six devices. Okay, and you want more devices, more computers, you can connect continuously, not need for this shutdown. Okay, directly you can connect. So this is a very advantage of without disturbing the network. Okay, you want to remove, so you can so you can remove. Okay, okay, works well, very works well under heavy load. Okay, so this is a works, you can see heavy load, you can this using. Okay, so lot of traffic, you can see one computer another computer, lot of sending receiving data, but you are using a switch network and 1000 mbps switch transfer data. So you can heavy load, you can this manage and set up here. Okay, but how you are using device centralized device, sometime problem, but you are using a switch devices, so easily to you can heavy load, you can transfer data, and lot of this computer sending file 2 GB data, this computer sending file 1 GB data, this computer connect with the outer internet system through, so internet through this computer can download data. So heavy load it work on this system, on these devices, and receiving data, sending data, transferring data. All of these main centralized device is called startup logic network. This is a very of work well under heavy load. Okay. Fourth is appropriate for large network. Okay. So you want a more large network. So again, other switch uh, you can connect on this network switch. You can more increase your network devices. This called tree topology I will discuss in next some video. So you can for large network this very easily to supportable switch system too. Depend on your switch port. Okay, some switch in the market 8 port, 16 port, and 32 port and 20, and 32 port and 64 port. Port means your cable connector. Okay, cable connector, uh, one type of a device. Okay, so if you have a switch at only 8 port, so you can add only 8 devices. Okay, for computer, either 8 computer, either 6 computer and 2 one router and one uh, printer at here. So one type of depend on your switch system. Okay, so this is a large network and you can see different type. This advantage is only two type of this disadvantage this start topology. So you can see here this, what is the disadvantage. First, device is expensive due to number of and the length of cable need to wire each host to centralized hub. Okay, so expensive due to number and length cables need to wire each host centralized hub. So every computer have, you can see cables using a, okay, fiber optic cable, either using crystal paired cable. Okay, depend on you how you using your switch. Okay, so market in available of fiber optic switch and cat switch. Okay, cat 5, cat 6, cat 7 cable, copper cable switch. So every single host need to one wire. Okay, and connect to this switch. Okay, and limited this switches system connect. Why? Because these centralized devices need only just like give you a example, 32 port means 32 device only only connect. Okay, not more. So you want to connect more, so you want again another switch, connect this one cable switch, and again other type devices connect here. Okay, so one type of a different type of a connect switch, one to connect on second switch connect third switch. So it is a one type of a two port need to switch other switch. Okay, so this is a one type you can increase your network. So you would first need cables need. Okay, number and length very important. Okay, second is central hub is a single point of failure for the network. This is a very important. All of network work in centralized system, centralized hub system. Okay, hub or switch. Okay, whatever. So switch is a centralized devices. I'm well, you suppose. Maybe yes, maybe this first switch not perfectly work. Maybe sometime uh, some circuit failure, some power system failure, some time these network not perfectly high power reason, and this switch not perfectly work and shut down. It's power of, so all of network gone. Okay, because all of single point is in main centralized system. Main this network here your switches, this switch system sort of means completely you shut down your network. Okay, no anyone computer connected in communication, not sharing data, not sending, receiving, transferring data, because this is a main of centralized switch system. Okay, so this is the one type of device one, device two, device three, device four, five, six. All of six devices connect to main of switch. Okay, main of important switch. This is a centralized switch system. Okay, so this is a switch and router system here. Okay, so this is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 type of switches. Okay, so you want to first understand about the centralized devices on how to you control and how to you work and how crimping type of security related. So this is a very important understand about the centralized hub is single point of failure. So this is a very important understand about the centralized device. Your shutdown maybe fail some reason, not perfectly work. So your all of system effect and not transmit data, not communication in your network. So main centralized important these devices. Okay, hub or switches. So this is a very understand about a single point of, okay, because all of computer devices connect only these main central devices. Okay, by cable through, by wireless through. Okay, so this is a very important to understand about these switches. Okay. So this is a compare star topology advantage and disadvantage. Next time I will show you hybrid topology. What is a hybrid topology? How type of hybrid topology network communication and work with hybrid topology system through. So hybrid topology is a one type of new technique of what is a hybrid topology and how this is created by hybrid topology. So next time I will continue and understand about hybrid topology. So subscribe, like, and bell icon quickly. Click and click on bell icon. So for new notification and you can understand about the new topic. Okay. So thank you. Have a nice day. Any questions, so comment to me and thanks you. So I will show you next time hybrid topology. What is hybrid topology? So thank you.